आज हम लोग एक्सपांशन फॉर्मूले पर बेस्ड कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स को वर्कआउट करेंगे और सीखेंगे कि किसी पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम के लिए कौन सा एक्सपांशन फॉर्मूला सुटेबल है। In this regard, we are taking the first question, question number 1. Write down the product for each of the following. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें जो यहाँ पर 1, 2 और 3 प्रॉब्लम्स दिए गए हैं, इनके प्रोडक्ट को फाइंड आउट करना है। In the part 1, we have to find the product of x plus 4 and x plus 2 means x plus 4 into x plus 2 हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है। पार्ट 2 में हमें फाइंड आउट करना है द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ xy plus 6 and xy minus 5 का मीन्स xy plus 6 into xy minus 5 को फाइंड आउट करना है। पार्ट 3 में we have to find 7x square minus 5y into x square minus 3y। इन तीनों प्रोडक्ट्स को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए जो सुटेबल एक्सपांशन फॉर्मूला है वो है x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b times x and plus ab। इसे एक और फॉर्म से एक्सप्रेस किया जाता है और वो फॉर्म है x square plus ax plus bx plus ab। Now by using this formula we will find the product in each case। फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट जिसे हमें फाइंड आउट करना है वो है x plus 4 into x plus 2 का। इस प्रोडक्ट को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए इस एक्सपांशन फॉर्मूले का यूज किस तरह होता है, लेट्स सी। ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कंपैरिजन वी कैन से x plus 4 into x plus 2 में 4 एक्सपांशन फॉर्मूले के LHS पार्ट में a को रिप्लेस कर रहा है और 2 b को रिप्लेस कर रहा है। देयरफॉर इसका प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ RHS वी कैन से इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर प्लस हियर 4 और 2 a और b को रिप्लेस कर रहा है, देयरफॉर इट इज 4 plus 2 times x एंड प्लस और जो थर्ड टर्म है ab उसे हम रिप्लेस करेंगे 4 into 2 से मीन्स 4 into 2। इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप वी विल फाइंड x स्क्वायर प्लस 4 plus 2 comes 6 and so 4 plus 2 times x means 6x, therefore we will have here 6x plus and 4 into 2 gives the product 8, so there will be 8। now x square plus 6x plus 8, this is the product of the given problem, answer। now we take the second part, xy plus 6 into xy minus 5। अब इस प्रॉब्लम को कंपेयर करेंगे एक्सपांशन फॉर्मूले के LHS पार्ट से। LHS पार्ट में x plus a into x plus b है, इसमें x को यहाँ प्रॉब्लम में रिप्लेस किया गया है xy से और a को रिप्लेस किया गया है 6 से और b को रिप्लेस किया गया है -5 से, -5। इन द RHS पार्ट ऑफ द एक्सपांशन वी फाइंड x स्क्वायर। सिंस xy replaces x, therefore it will be xy square। the first term will be xy to the whole square plus second term will be 6 minus 5 times xy and the last third term plus 6 into minus 5। इस तरह से हमने एक्सपांड कर दिया। अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने पर we find that xy to the whole square comes x square y square plus 6 minus 5 comes 1 is not mentioned in product form and so it will be only xy and the third term will be the product of 6 and minus 5। 6 5s are 30 and minus into plus minus, so it will be minus 30। thus the product will be x square y square plus xy minus 30, answer। थर्ड प्रॉब्लम है 7x square minus 5y into x square minus 3y। इसका प्रोडक्ट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए इस एक्सपांशन फॉर्मूले का लास्ट पार्ट हम कंसीडर करेंगे जिसमें x स्क्वायर प्लस ax प्लस bx प्लस ab है। ax इनर प्रोडक्ट है और bx आउटर प्रोडक्ट है। In the next step, the first term will be the product of 7x square and x square, that is 7x square into x square. The second term will be the inner product, that is the product of minus 5y and x square. Therefore, minus 5x square y. The next term will be the outer product, means product of 7x square and minus 3y, which gives minus 21x square y. And then the last term is AB, product of A and B, minus into minus plus, and 5 3s are 15 and y into y square. In the next step, 7x square into x square gives the product 7x to the power 4 minus 5x square y and minus 21x square y, which gives minus 26x square y. And the last term, there is 15y square, so it will be 15y square. Thus, our product is 7x to the power 4 minus 26x square y plus 15y square. Answer. Now we take up the question number 2. Write down the squares of the following expressions. यहाँ भी 3 प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, एक्सप्रेशंस हैं, उसके स्क्वायर को फाइंड आउट करना है. फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज मीन्स फर्स्ट स्क्वायर इज 5x plus 3y plus z to the whole square, and the second one is minus 3m minus 5n plus 2p to the whole square, and the third one is 2x minus 1 by 3p plus 3q to the whole square. Clearly all these problems are based on the square of trinomial. We will use the formula of a square of trinomial, that is a plus b plus c to the whole square, which gives a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ca. Now we proceed to see how this expansion formula is applied to find the square of each expression. Expression first, 5x plus 3y plus z to the whole square, and it will be expanded as the RHS part of the expansion formula, means a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Clearly a is replaced by here 5x, and b is replaced by 3y, and c is replaced by z. Therefore a square will be 5x to the whole square plus 3y to the whole square plus z to the whole square plus 2 times 5x into 3y, 2 into 3y into z, and then after the last term. Now we simplify this. 5x to the whole square means 25x square, 3y to the whole square means 9y square, z to the whole square means z square, plus here 2 5s are 10 and 10 3s are 30, and so 30 and with x into y xy, 30xy plus 6yz, and the last term 10zx. Thus the required square will be 25x square plus 9y square plus z square plus 30xy plus 6yz plus 10zx. Answer. Now we take up the second expression, minus 3m minus 5n plus 2p to the whole square. On the basis of this expansion formula, we find the square of this expression. Here minus 3m is in place of a, so it will be minus 3m square plus minus 5n is in place of b, so it will be minus 5n square, and then here 2p is in place of c, therefore it will be, and then plus minus 2ab will be replaced by 2 into minus 3m into minus 5n, and then the next term 2 into minus 5n into 2p, and the last term will be Now we simplify each term. Minus 3m to the whole square gives 9m square plus minus 5n square minus 5n to the whole square gives 25n square and plus 2p to the whole square gives 4p square and then plus 2 into minus 3m into minus 5n gives the product 2 3 are 6 and 6 5 are 30, m into n mn and minus into minus plus, so it will be plus 30 mn. The next term will be 2 into minus 5n into 2p, which gives 2 5 are 10 and 10 2 are 20 and n into p np with the sign of plus into minus minus, and the last term is 2 into 2p into minus 3m, which gives the product 2 2 are 4 4 3 are 12 and with the sign of minus into plus gives minus, and so it will be minus. Thus the square of minus 3m minus 5n plus 2p is 9m square plus 25n square plus 4p square plus 30mn minus 20np minus 12mp. Answer. And now the third expression is 2x minus 1 by 3p plus 3q to the whole square. It can be expanded on the expansion formula, that is a plus b plus c to the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Therefore 2x to the whole square in place of a square plus minus 1 by 3p to the whole square in place of b square plus 3q to the whole square in place of c square plus 2 into 2x into minus 1 by 3p in place of 2ab plus 2 into minus 1 by 3p into 3q in place of 2bc, and the last term 2 into 3q into 2x in place of 2ca. It gives the result 4x square plus 1 by 9 p square plus 9q square, and now 2 into 2 4 and 4 into minus 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3 and x into p xp, therefore it will be minus 4xp by 3, and after this 2 into minus 1 by 3p into 3q. Clearly this 3 can be cancelled by this 3 and then we get the product 2 into p into q 2pq with the sign of minus, and so minus 2pq, and the last term 2 into 3q into 2x 2 3 are 6 6 2 are 12 12qx with the sign of plus, so 12qx. Thus the required product is 4x square plus 1 by 9p square plus 9q square minus 4xp by 3 minus 2pq plus 12qx. Answer. Now we take up the question number 3. Simplify. Here we have to simplify this expression, and the expression is 2x minus p plus c to the whole square minus 2x plus p minus c to the whole square. Clearly ये सम जिस एक्सपांशन पर बेस्ड है, we find it is a square minus b square equal to a plus b और into a minus b. a रिप्लेस किया जा रहा है 2x minus p plus c से और b रिप्लेस किया जा रहा है 2x plus p minus c से. Therefore to simplify the expression given, we proceed as 2x minus p plus c to the whole square minus 2x plus p minus c to the whole square. A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. Therefore we can say 2x minus p plus c plus 2x plus p minus c into 2x minus p plus c and then minus minus 2x minus p, and this will be plus c. So 2x minus p and plus c. By observation we can say 2x and 2x can be cancelled, plus p and minus p can be cancelled, plus c and minus c can be cancelled. Therefore, in the next step we find 2x plus 2x 4x, and here minus p and minus p gives minus 2p, and c and this c gives 2c, and so 4x into minus 2p and plus 2c, that is 4x into minus 2p minus 8px, and 4x into 2c plus 8xc. We can do this answer or as 8cx minus 8px. Answer